replacing the rear reflectors on a Scion XD with these LED ones that I've had to seal around the edges to make sure that they don't get moisture inside of them within 2 weeks. Waiting for those to dry. But I have tail lights up here and I want lights down here, so you have 2 different light sources on the back to match the fact that there's 2 different light sources on the front. It'll be symmetrical, and everyone knows I love symmetry. Okay, we're underneath the car now. Right there. Also, everything looks more rusty and terrible than it does in real life because, I don't know, this camera brings out the orange, and I just washed this. So, but we're gonna want to take out that screw. I might have to find a smaller screwdriver. But you get it. And voila. 1 screw. Then it kind of just hinges in there with this little tab here. Other side. Do the same thing, but mirrored. Also, don't forget to clean out your holes. Oh yeah, gonna get you so clean. It's gonna get you so clean. Remember to clean your holes. Good, clean, good. So good, so clean. So fresh and so clean. Okay. Both of them are out. Don't lose your screws. And discovered this little shielding here that's supposed to be aerodynamic, so air doesn't rush up inside of the back bumper and make a parachute. It was not attached properly. I don't know. Previous owner, someone didn't do it right. Now you may be asking, but Kit, how do I get the wires inside? Well, take off all your detritus that's in the trunk. Who needs a cameraman when you've got 2 arms? This is where we're gonna bring the wires in, right here. Woo! We're going to go up and over, making sure to tuck the wires behind the sharp bits so they do not get abraded or abrased, or however you pronounce that. There we go. Whoop. Well, you can kind of see what I'm doing here. But, see, there's the hole to the interior. Go and pull these in there. Okay, we got the little grommet for that hole here. We're going to cut just a little bitty slice in it for the wires to come through, so the hole is still sealed and the wires aren't rubbing against the harsh metal here. So, welcome to my current new home in here. Got the soldering iron and everything. Been working on making extensions for this wire that goes outside, runs up under here. So what I want to try to do is something that's minimally invasive, no alligator clips or anything. I just want to kind of sandwich these, put these wires into the corresponding pin on this connector go into the taillight pigtail. So, and I've made a pin-out diagram for this connector right here. Yes, I had to draw these, or write these at like a really confusing angle. I mean, trying to scribble these down while I'm doing a contortionist act in the back of a trunk is not that easy. So, this top one over here, this one is for reverse lights. This one on the bottom over here is brake lights. This one over here is going to be your ground on this corner. This other top corner here is tail lights. And this one is your blinker. So again, I just want to try to stuff these wires in here and then, you know, sandwich them in there so I don't have to alligator clip anything. But if I have to, I will. Alligator clip? I mean vampire clip. I'm smart. I promise. So my idea to do it non-invasively has not worked, so I'm having to resort to vampire clips. You know, I did it on the wire harness that splits off from the main harness here. I didn't want to clip onto the wire harness that goes to the body. Oh, y'all know what I'm talking about. I don't want just destroying my hands trying to pull that off, but yep. Okay, developments. We have tail lightage. Now, great, of course the light came turned off. Oh gosh, I don't know if I can show you this. This light, or this wire right here, this white one is ground, so it's going to be black. This green wire here, this green one, is tail light, and this, whatever this one is right here, that's green and white, that's brake light. So yeah, that's, hopefully you glean some sort of information from what I just said. Okay, got these done. Got that side done. It's not the way I would want to have done it, but whatever. And these wires are just gonna chill out back here with the spare tire, because whatever. I'm lazy. Oh. Crazy.
Yep. I know. I push the brake.
Now tell me, anyone, if you would notice this at night. It's lighting up the fog coming from the exhaust.
Great.
Hold on. Whoop.
Alexa, lights off. I think they see you.
Yep. So I got 4 sources of light back here with the tail lights on, and four sources of light up front. So it's all symmetrical. It makes me very happy. We will be doing this with Lou's Lexus in the next video. What do you have to say about it?
I think it looks really cool. I kind of want to do this to the Buick now.
Yeah, he wants me to put lights in here because those are just reflectors. And for anyone saying that,
signals,
hey, at night, if I've got the street parked and those don't reflect light with the lights off anymore, well, you've reduced the visibility of your car. Well, I can also get little strips of reflective tape and put like here and there on both sides, so I still retain the reflectiveness. Yeah, totally gonna do that. Wink, wink, wink.
They should reflect as well.
I don't think they.
You know? Hold on a second. We'll do an experiment. You turn the lights on. They reflect.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do. They reflect more than my reflectors do.
Well, your reflectors don't. They don't.
That's the requirement.
Those aren't reflectors in the first place.
Those are reflectors. Those are the requirements.
They also have like
And they
water
reflect.
inside of them.
And they reflect.
Well,
Yeah.
let's see.
They
We're-
reflect. Actually, they reflect more than the bicycle reflector over there. There's that. There's that.
I mean,
They reflect just as much.
look at the. Gosh dang it! I'm over here in the exhaust fumes. Eh.
But it reflects just as much.
Okay. Well,
So they're reflectors.
we'll call that okay.
Yeah, those reflect good. They reflect better than this bike reflector does. Ah, now I'm blind.
Okay. Will anybody be able to notice that? Got the reflector lights installed. So now I got 4 points of light in the back. And for symmetry, 4 points of light in the front. So I'm pretty pleased with that. So not only do I have 4 brake lights, my third one up top blinks. Oh, if I ever get rear-ended. Oh. And for those of you that are worried about these light replacements not being reflective anymore and taking away that feature while the lights are off, you're wrong. They still act as reflectors as well. So, yeah.